the ratio of my case, which is applicable in the current case. This is the case of Supreme Court, landmark case of Supreme Court, and the ratio of this case is directly applicable to my case. So, if I were to refer it to the judge, so that he can also take the bare perusal of the important points, important paras, I'll only have to click here, and I can read it from here. Like, the hall was constructed by the mission should be used only for marriage and religious and cultural activities. Accommodation to tourist pilgrims coming to Vadakunanthan temple should be provided in the hall. अभी इस जजमेंट की the most important line, the most important para is, I cannot be worse off in my own appeal. I cannot be rendered worse off if I file an appeal. So this is explicitly stated in para. See, this is the relevant extract. Besides, a writ petitioner cannot be put in a worse off position by coming to court. And again, see, this is the most important para. So I can make a thread and write most important.
So whenever you will click on here,
Suppose now this is saved now. Now if I happen to be in court and I'm arguing a case and I have to get this ratio applied in my case and I have to refer this to the judge, I can straight away open this, open existing file. I can straight away go here and read it from here. Litigants go to court for vindicating their rights when they perceive that there is an infringement. The court may, after hearing both the parties, grant or deny them relief. Now, relevant excerpt I can even highlight. See,
you need 13.5.
This is the most important thing. So, first of all, I'll click here, and it is already highlighted. So, they will be left to wonder whether by going to court in matters where they perceive injustice has resulted, they will be rendered worse off than what they were. So my whole contention boils down to, I can't be left worse off in my own appeal.
Absolutely
I cannot
correct.
be put in a more precarious or disadvantageous position if I file an appeal. Long story cut short, this is the best time.